Welcome to the Culinary Arts Teachers Club. We are so glad you're here. In the next 10 minutes, you'll receive information in an email on how to set up your password and your login. Once you have that information, you can head over to culinaryaartscurriculum.com/login and you can go ahead and log in and click Remember Me. Once you're in, you'll see that there are courses. So we have Culinary Arts Intro Curriculum as well as a Culinary 1 and 2, which is an advanced curriculum. If you click on the curriculum, you'll see that each unit is there for each curriculum, as well as a scope and sequence that is downloadable. Once you're here, you can click on the unit that you're working on, and you'll see there's intro materials, which has the lesson plans, bell ringers, and so forth, as well as each day's activities. So if you click on a day, you'll see it gives you an overview of what to do, and then it gives you the downloadable items that you'll need for that day. When you go back to your dashboard, you'll see that you can also click on the 1 and 2 curriculum as well as the community of teachers. So if you click on the community of teachers, this is really exciting. There's lots of teachers in here, culinary teachers, sharing ideas, recipes, and so forth. We have challenges, Amazon gift card giveaways. You'll see that there's lessons and recipes uploaded by different culinary arts teachers and images of their students and what they've worked on. There's also a Q&A section, and we would love for you to introduce yourself in the community. If you have something in particular that you're looking for, say you want to teach knife skills that day, you can go up to this little section up here, which is the search, and you can type in what you are looking for, knife skills in particular. Once you're there, you'll see that you can click on that and it'll take you to the day's lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at Arlene at culinaryaartscurriculum.com.